Yes, come on. First question. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variables. First question is x plus y is equal to 4. Okay, this is linear equation in two variables. See here. I am trying to convert and get the value of x or y. See here, x is equal to 4 minus y. I am writing. I can take any value of y and get value of x. If I am taking 0, y is equal to 0, then x will be what? 4 minus 0. This is 4. If I take y is equal to 1, then what will be x? 4 minus 1, that is 3. If I take y is equal to 2, that is x is equal to 4 minus 2, x is equal to 2. Now I am trying to make it one table for making graph. This is your table and two variables are there, x and y I am writing here. This is x and this is y. x4 y0, x4 y0, x3 y1, x3 y1, x2 y2, x2 and y2. Then I am marking coordinates. This is your coordinate a 4 comma 0, b 3 comma 1 and c 2 comma 2. I am writing here 4 comma 0, 3 comma 1 and 2 comma 2. I am trying to plot these three coordinates on graph paper. Yes, now I am going to plot graph. See point A. A is your 4 comma 0, 4 on x-axis and 0 on y-axis. This should be here only. I am marking A point 4 comma 0. I am writing 4 comma 0. Then B is 3 comma 1, 3 and here is 1. This is your 3 comma 1. Okay. Now point C is 2 comma 2. X is 2 and y is 1, 2. This is 2 comma 2. This is your point C. Now you have to join ABC with help of scale. Now after plotting these points A 4 comma 0, B 3 comma 1 and C 3 comma 2, when we join A, B and C, you will get a line which equation is x plus y is equal to 4. Now the next question is y is equal to 3x. See here, if I take value of x is 0, then what will be the value of y? That is 3 into 0. 3 into 0 is 0. If I am taking x is equal to 1, then value of y will be 3 into 1, that is 3. If I take x is equal to 2, then what will be value of y? Just see, 3 into 2, it is equal to 6. Now I am going to put values x and y on table. This is x0, then y will be 0 here. x1, then y is 3. x is 1, y is 3. x is 2, y is 6. x is 2, y is 6. And mark it, this is A coordinate 0 comma 0. Coordinate of B will be 1 comma 3 and coordinate of C will be what? 2 comma 6. Now we are going to plot these coordinates 0 comma 0, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 6 on graph paper. See A is 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0 is here, 0 comma 0 I marked here A. Then B is what? 1 comma 3. So x is 1, y is 3. This is 1 comma 3, B is 1 comma 3. C is 2 comma 6. C is 2, x is 2 and y is 6. C is 2 comma 6. Then join this A, B, C and draw one line. You will get y is equal to 3x. Come on next question. 3 is equal to 2x plus y. Can I write in this way? 2x plus y is equal to 3. If I put y this side and take 2x that side, so what will be? 3 minus 2x. Then what to do? Take x is equal to 0 and you can get value of y. What will be y? See, 3 minus 2 into 0. 3 minus 2 into 0 means what will be? 3 minus 2 into 0 is 0, no? X is 3. Now y will be 3. Then take x is equal to 1. Then what is value of y? Check. 3 minus 2 into 1. So 3 minus 2 1 ja 2. That is 3 minus 2 is 1. Take x is equal to 2. Y is equal to 3 minus 2 into 2. 3 minus 4. 2 2s are 4. This will be minus 1. Now come on for coordinates. What will be coordinates? See, x is 0 and y is what? 3. X is 1, y is 1 here. 1 comma 1 here. X is 2, y is minus 1. X is 2, y is minus 1. This is A, B and C. Okay. Now come on. Yes, see here. Now you have to plot this, or these points I have already plotted here. See, point A is 0 comma 3. Here is 0, here is 3. So A will be 0 comma 3. B is 1 comma 1. On x-axis 1, y-axis 1, B will be 1 comma 1. And C is 2 comma minus 1. X is 2 and y is minus 1. Okay. Then mention A, B and C properly. Then you have to join this A, B, C with help of scale. And you will get this line. And what is the equation of this line is 3 is equal to 2x plus y. Okay. Yes, come on next question. Next question is, give the equation of two lines passing through 2 comma 14. How many more such lines are there and why? See here, you have to write two lines, equation of two lines which are passing from 2 comma 14. It means these coordinates may satisfy this equation of line. I am taking this here, x plus y is equal to 16. Let us check. Put x is equal to 2 here, 2 and y is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16 is equal to 16. This is right. If I take one more, like 2x plus y is equal to, this is your 18. Let us check. 2 2s are 4. X is 2, no? 2 2s are 4 plus 14. 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. Okay. Some more I can make it, like 3x plus y. This is 20. Okay. If I take x minus y is equal to what? This should be minus 12. Let us check. X is 2, no? Y is 14. So 2 minus 14 is minus 12. It means I can make it infinite number of lines that can pass through 2 comma 14. There are infinite number of lines which can passing through 2 comma 14. This is your answer. Yes, come on question number 3. If the point 3 comma 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. What is the meaning? If point lies on any equation, it means this point satisfies by this line. It means these coordinates if you put, then equation will be satisfied. So easily you can get the unknown values. Okay, now this is x value, this is y coordinate. So on place of y I am putting 4. So 3 into 4. A as it is, what will be the value of a? X, this is 3. This is 3 plus 7. 3 4s are 12. This is 3a plus 7. Okay, 12 minus 7. This is 3a. Then 5 is equal to 3a. What is a then? 5 upon 3. This is your answer. Next question is, a taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer the fare is rupees 8 and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered is x kilometer and total fare as rupees y, write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare is rupees y. Okay, fare for the first kilometer is rupees 8. Okay, total distance x kilometer, after covering 1 kilometer, what is the remaining distance? This should be x minus 1. Again I am repeating, total distance is x kilometer. After covering 1 kilometer, what is the remaining distance? This is x minus 1 kilometer. Okay. Fare for the remaining distance per kilometer is rupees 5. It is given to a subsequent distance. Fare is rupees 5 per kilometer. Okay, remaining distance is x minus 1, and from which number we have to multiply? By 5, because here rate is given to you rupees 5 per kilometer. Yes. Now what will be the equation? Okay, total amount paid is rupees y, that we know, is equal to amount paid for first kilometer, it is 8, it is given to you. 8 is given to you in the question. Now come on, plus amount for other subsequent distance, this is 5. And how much remaining distance? That we know here, we got it here, x minus 1 kilometer. So you have to multiply 5 into x minus 1. Then y as it is, 8 as it is, plus 5. Then use your distributive property, 5 into x, this is 5x. Then minus 5, it is minus 5. Then 8 minus 5 is 3 is here, plus 5x. So this is the remaining, this is the equation, linear equation in two variables. Okay, then you have to find the values. If you take x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, then what will be? Y is equal to 3 plus 5 into 1. Okay, so 3 plus, this is 3 plus 5 1 ja 5 is here. 3 plus 5 is 8. Take x is equal to 2. Then y is equal to 3 plus 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. So 3 plus 10 is 13. Take x is equal to 3. 3 plus 5 into 3. 5 into 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So take make one table like this, x and y. What will be the coordinates? 1, 8, 2, 13, 3, 18. See here. 1, 8, 2, 13 and 3, 18. Mark it this A, B and C. Then these coordinates you have to mark on graph paper. Now come on, try to plot this. First of all, you have to take proper scale, because your distance is 1, 2 and 3 and amount is coming 8, 13 and 18. I have taken on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 kilometer and on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to rupees 2. See, 1 kilometer is here and here is 2. So what is x when x is 1, y is 8, x is 1, y is 8. This is your point A. Okay, then B point 2 comma 13, x is 2, y is 13. This is 14 and 1 less, this is 1, this is 13. This is B. This is 2 comma 13 and A was 1 comma 8. What was C? C is 3 is 18. X is 3 and Y is your 18. This is C. This is 3 comma 18. I can write here. Now I am joining with help of scale and try to make one straight line, and this is the line which represent linear equation with two variables x and y. This is the line, this is equation of line. Okay, what is the line? Equation of line is y is equal to 3 plus 5x. I can write here y is equal to 3 plus 5x.